I'm going to show you how to get a Codex or OpenAI's Codex API key. So first you will need to open up your browser, and then you want to search for dev portal OpenAI, and then click on the first link, which takes you to developers.openai.com. Now you want to basically sign into your OpenAI account. Just click on the API dashboard here and just go through the login process. Now, once you've signed into the dashboard, then you want to go to API keys from the left panel here, and then just click on create new secret key and give it a name that you can recognize, and then press create secret key, and this will generate a key that you will need to copy and save somewhere because you won't be able to view it again. Just press done. And in case if you lost the key or you didn't copy it, you can simply press the delete button and then just create a new one and copy it again. And then you can simply use the copied secret key or the API key, and you can use it in your code and set it as an environment variable, which you can use to make API calls to OpenAI apps and services. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.